In this part of the video, I would like to introduce to you a platform, a coin application used by collectors, coin collectors like me, and syempre, subastaheros, and appraisers, coin appraisers, two coin appraisers. This application is called Herit Coin. The good thing about Merit Coin is that it does not require subscription from those people who would like to use it. This application is free. It gives free identification and valuation of your coins, makes it user-friendly to those who are new users, and of course, it gives them understanding of the value of the coin that they are holding. Another thing is this application has a real person appraisers who will provide you analysis of the coin that you are holding, including its historical background, its condition, and of course, the age of the coin that you are holding. For users like me, since I am a coin collector and at the same time a subastahero, I usually went to subastahan anywhere in the Philippines and I brought my coins with me. This application also gives me an advantage. Why? Because this application supports users for trading of collectible coins. So first, we open this application, Herit Coin. Again, you can just download this application in your Play Store. Okay, I have prepared 3 coins here, 2 foreign coins and 1 local coin from the Philippines. But first, we'll do the $quarter coin from USA. Let's take a snapshot of it. Let's do first the obverse. And then let's do also the reverse of this coin. All right, so let's wait for the identification of the coin. So yes, the coin that I have here is USA 25 cents in commemoration of the 200th anniversary independence of USA on 1976. So the face value of this coin is $quarter, but the reference price here, the price in the market now, it's $11.14. Wow. So I have a coin that that's worth $11.14. Amazing. So here also in the Herit Coin application, you can see the specification, the mintage or the number of production when that coin was produced and being released to the use of the people. So it is also identified here the thickness of the coin, also the diameter, and the weight of the coin. So its origin, USA, denomination, $1/4 or $quarter. And then the kind of metal used for this coin. So for this coin, it is stated here, copper, nickel plated copper. Okay? And the hero honored in this coin is George Washington. Okay? Let's do another one. The local one. The local coin from the Philippines. Okay, so this coin is 1 peso, 1974. Let's do first the obverse. And then let's do the reverse. This coin is so old, but is still in a very good condition. So yes, this coin is identified as Philippine 1 peso, released on 1974. So the face value of this coin is 1 peso. But the market value for this, it's only 0.73 cents in dollars. So most likely, in the Philippines, you can just sell this one or buy this one for 20 pesos and below for each. Okay. So again, you can see here the mintage or the production pieces of this coin, and then also the thickness, the diameter, and the weight. The origin, Philippines, denomination 1 peso. The metal used for this coin is copper, zinc, nickel. Another feature that this Herit Coin application has is the collection of collectible coins. As you can see, we have here the popular sets of coins that this application has. So for this part, I will choose Susan Dollar because I have the same coin as this one. So you can see here images of the coin from the time of its release up to the present. So you can flip also the coin here to see the over side of the coin. And if you are going to slide it to the right side, you will see the profile of the coin that I show you here. So it says Susan Dollar. I guess the time of the production of this coin started on 1979 up to 1981 and also on 1999. So this coin commemorates a celebration. It celebrates women's rights advocate Susan B. Anthony, marking her legacy. So I guess this coin is having a high value of appraisal, and Herit Coin provides already the appraisal value for you. Another feature here is the transaction. All right, so we go to the transaction feature. It shows here the collected coins which is already in here in the Herit Coin application. So you can see here the collectible items of coins. For example, for this one, quarter dollar. So if you are going to buy this coin already, the quarter dollar coin, you can buy it for $234, including the shipping fee already. Okay, so if you are a coin collector and looking for this kind of collectible coin, you can use this application, Herit Coin, to find your most wanted collectible coin. And you can see here already the value of the coin that you are going to buy. So this coin appraised it already. And of course, perhaps in the other side, if you are like me, who is looking to sell a coin, and if you have a coin like this, then it gives you idea already of how much its appraisal value or how much it's worth. All right, so what are you waiting for? Download this application already. Herit Coin.